Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Build a Boat for Treasure. And so basically this game is about like building a boat or anything. And I take that anything pretty far, you could say. I built a robot. I haven't tested it out yet, but I hope it will get to the end. So let's see. Okay, I need to make a door. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. How about let's make a hole in his head. Oh yeah, I was using this. Oh, by the way, I didn't build this all with one block. I actually used this scaling tool thing. It's really helpful in builds like this. This even took, I had to restart because I let a person join my team. They launched when I was working on the head and left the game right after. Why would you do that? Okay, this is the funniest thing that I'm gonna do. Door, T? Yes, T. Oh man. By the way, I had to use this coloring tool because, well, to color it, otherwise it would just look gray. Oh wait, black-eyed wonder. Wait, that reminds me. Just to celebrate it. T. Wait. Oh, that's R. Just so we celebrate it. I have fireworks. I've been waiting for this moment for quite a while. Place down some more fireworks. Oh wow, this is gonna be some explosions. Oh. Any more? Okay. Guys. Wait. Oh yeah, I have a jetpack. Ooh. Woo! Ah yes, I must save this. Save. Oh, no. Save. Yes, okay. Ah, that felt good. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Please get to the treasure. Ow. Get to the treasure. I believe in you, you giant robot thing. There's a secret behind it. I think the secret's not there anymore. If you guys didn't know, if you go behind that waterfall, there's usually a secret. I guess they removed that in the Christmas update because that was the last time I actually played this game was when Christmas was around. That was a long time ago. Ow. I think that was almost a year ago. No way, the lever. Okay, guys. Oh no. Here's what the lever does. Oh, but okay. Here's what it does. And if you hop down there, ow, you can get a stuffy. I already have one of them, but it's cool to be down here again. Hello there! Wait, can I get it 2 times? Ah, I can't get it 2 times. Well, that makes sense. So now I'm gonna go die and like go to bed. See you guys when I'm there. Ow. Okay, I'm back and saves that one. Load. Yes. Does it still have the fireworks? Okay, good. It doesn't have the fireworks. That would be funny. Oh, this will be good. Yeah. These rockets will... yeah, no, I'm not doing that. That's gonna be way too fast. Okay, this time we will get to the end. But first, we need the jetpack. That was when Halloween was around. Oh, I miss that so much. Okay. Whee! I forgot how high you actually were supposed to go. That is too high for me. Oh, this is what I call fun. Boing. I'm in. I think. Yes, I'm in. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Go! Oh gosh, oh no. 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 The funniest of all things. Okay, I gotta stop messing around. And how do I? Okay. Woo! 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 I'm going 25 million yards? No. I will touch the butterfly. Oh, I didn't touch the butterfly. Oh, that's sad. Okay. Yes, I'm the only one who actually physically launched. Yes. Woo! Whee! Oh wow, that went fast. Oh, right on the face. Oh gosh. Ow. Yikes. Oh, ow. Why are you only going for the head? Maybe it only goes after me. So it goes after the head, not the body. That's good, because if the body fell off, I wouldn't be able to go anywhere. Because the body like launches me into the air. That makes me go. No, not the shuriken. Okay, I'm getting out of here. Oh, 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 you just missed. Oh, ow. That time you did miss. Okay, I admit you're good. I admit it. Okay, let me go. Woo! Oh. Yes. Yes. Nothing can stop. Oh, this can stop me. Something can stop me. This thing is bad, even though it doesn't look bad. It's really bad, I promise. Look how big these rocks are. Oh, I'm close. What the heck? This is, I've never experienced this in my life. It's because it's a giant robot thing. No. I just jumped over this entire stage. Oh no. Here's where my death is. Already, all my limbs have fallen off except for this one. Oh. No, these alien things. No! I've lost all my limbs! Oh, I'm now just a body and a head. That's kind of creepy. Oh, right on the head. Oh, this is where I die. Oh. This one is hard. Yeah, baby, I dare you. Actually, you can be. What? How is that person? What? Is he flying? Can he hack? Like, how is he catching up to me? I've been going for this like for 2 minutes, I think. He's catching up. I will see. He died! How did he die? Whee! Whee! Oh! If I landed on my... Yes, I made it! I made it! Yes! Yay! With no limbs, but my head and my... Boing. Aww. The effects ran out. Okay. Ooh, goodness. Ooh, got this block. Well, you guys, I'm gonna end the video off right there. I hope you liked it. If you did, subscribe, like the video, please consider both of them, and bye!